Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here today. I'm at the Torques RC Club at Deer Creek State Park here in Ohio, and I have my Viper 90mm flying it on an Ovonic 6500 milliamp hour 100C battery. Hopefully it holds up. We'll see how it does. I haven't used this battery a whole lot because of the 7000 Spectrum is when I had that crash, and so I've been worried to put the heavier battery in here, but I've had a few good flights today, and so I think it can handle it. Let's do it. Got one click on the flaps for the takeoff. I'm in high rates. Plenty of power. All right, the wind is coming out of that direction. I don't know my north, south, east, west. I think that is a north west. So anyways, let's take off. It must be the east. Sorry, it must be southeast. It's got to be because the sun is going down in the west. Anyways, let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. Gear going up. Back the throttle off just a little bit, making sure the elevator still feels right. Okay, flaps going up. Gonna keep it low on the passes in the middle because of the sun. About a half throttle pass with the wind. One nice thing out there is when I'm making those bank turns, I can see the sun ricocheting off the airplane. It's helping with the vision problems that I'm dealing with right now. I am out here by myself right now, so not worrying about anybody else in the air or at the ends of the field. Now it is a state park, so there is a driveway up there into the wind off to the distance, but I'm not really flying out too far, trying not to get over them. It's handling pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it's flying today. I did do the repairs, and that video is either out already or coming soon. I do need to decide how I'm going to handle the finishes, but as far as the repairs go, that is done. Get a nice low pass in here. Nice big banking turn. Full speed pass. Cooking, man. Love seeing this thing really move, but it gets away from me too fast. I was watching Terry Nitch do all kinds of amazing stuff with this airplane earlier. Of course, it was his, but same model. He really can handle this airplane pretty good. I do have my timer set for 3.5 minutes, and I'm flying with a slightly bigger battery than I was earlier. I was using a Spectrum 5000, and now I'm using a fairly new 6500, so it should be good. Plus it's 100C, so it's handling these current bursts on the throttle pretty good, I'm sure. Big old lazy turn. We'll take it back down here, putting the gear down. I see him. We'll get it lined up for the landing. Keeping the power on as I turn. Half throttle, full flaps. Letting it ease in. Oh, well, let's take it around. I did that earlier. I thought, man, I'm going to get a much nicer land. And nope, it was another bump. So let's see if I can get it this time. Here we go, easing in. Got the wings nice and straight, I thought. Goodness. There, it sat down. Goodness. A little bit of a struggle today for Gary, but... And like every other time, it turns much better to the right for me. My steering servo must be just off just a little bit, but taxiing back a little too fast. But here we go. Somebody stopped to watch me fly, and I just got done. So guys, that's the Viper 90 by E-flite. It's so much fun. I flew this airplane 4 times today, I think. And man, it is. And I watched Terry fly his twice. You just can't get enough of this plane. If you don't have this one, it's a must-have for an EDF flying person. Anybody that loves flying the EDF jets, the 90mm Viper just is spot on. It handles so good. And I just love mine. I've crashed it a couple times and repaired it, and it still flies great. I can't say enough about it. Guys, big thanks to the Lord for a beautiful day to get out and do some EDF flying here at the Torx Model Club and Deer Creek State Park here in Ohio. Man, it is awesome. This is just an awesome runway. I'll definitely be coming back here to fly more, and I appreciate all your guys' support. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.